On August 30, 2023, thunderstorms and heavy rains have caused flash floods in Austria as river levels reach their highest point in 100 years, according to local media reports. Experts at GeoSphere, the country's meteorological service, warned of mudflows and flooding, with up to 100 millimeters of rain expected across many areas. The western and southern regions of Vorarlberg, Tyrol, Salzburg and Carinthia had seen the biggest impact from the extreme conditions. Some homes were evacuated and a number of rail routes and bridges were closed by the authorities amid fears over rising water levels. Around 70 people had to be evacuated from 30 homes in Tumpen, a village in Tyrol, local media reported. In the Pitztal valley in Tyrol, 3 houses were evacuated in Jerzens. Video on social media showed the Ache River in Tyrol at the brink of breaking its banks, while waterways were also reported to be overflowing across the Pitztal valley. Austrian broadcaster ORF reported some rivers had risen to levels not seen in a century. Flood warnings were also in place along parts of the River Inn in Tyrol.